All right, so the first thing that you want to make sure that you do is you need to get to the Super Tracker website. There is a link on the web quest to get you there. It's the next question, but this is the website. This is what it looks like. Once you get here, we're going to be kind of working mostly with this food tracker information here, as well as the daily food group targets chart and the daily limits charts. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to type in our food from our charts that we just did in question number 1. So for mine, I put down that I had 2 pieces of wheat bread this morning. And sometimes when you're super specific, the website doesn't find it. So it's better to be a little bit more broad. So for example, instead of wheat bread, I'm just going to type in bread. And when I type in bread, I now get a whole list of things. And I'm going to click on the 100% whole wheat because that's basically what I had this morning. Once you do that, this is going to pop up. And you need to put in the amount that you had. So I had 2 pieces, so I need to change this to 2. And then I'm going to put in that I had it for breakfast. And then I'm going to click add. Once you do that, you're going to see some things have changed. We now have our chart up here starting to get filled in with our whole grains. And then up here, it's also starting to show that we've eaten 2 ounces of our 6 and that we're currently under for the day. And that's because I just need to put in more of my foods. What you're going to see down here is you're going to kind of see your daily calories, and then this is going to also start to change based on how much sugar, fat, and added sugar, fat, and sodium are in the foods that you're adding to your chart. One thing you're going to notice is you are going to notice that this is going to all be the grains info, vegetable info, fruit info, dairy info, and the protein info. And then up here is going to be another area for your calories. So let's type in another food. So I had peanut butter on my bread, so I'm going to type in peanut butter. It's going to give me some options. I just had creamy, so I'm going to select that. Again, over here, I'm going to have to decide how much I had. I am going to guess that I had 3 tablespoons. I don't know exactly. You can refer to the front counter where the measuring cups and measuring spoons are to kind of help get an idea for how much you possibly ate or drank for the particular food that you're looking up. I had that for breakfast, so I'm going to select that and click add. Again, we're going to start to see some of our numbers changing. Our calories have went up. We now have protein added to our chart, still showing that I'm under for grains and protein, and vegetables and fruits and dairies. It's still showing that I haven't had any of those. And again, down here, some of our fats, sugars, and sodiums went up based on adding that food. You're going to go through, you're going to add all of your breakfast foods, all of your lunch foods, dinner foods, and then any snacks or drinks that you had. You need to add all of those. So basically everything that you ate or drank yesterday. Once you're done with that, you're going to move on to the next step in your web quest. Have fun.